Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video, I'm super excited to share with you guys this new sticker book that I got from Goldmine and Coco. I mean, Felicia is doing the damn thing at Goldmine and Coco. I mean, the stickers, she has all types of dolls and I just absolutely love it. This sticker book intrigued me, and while I don't want to add a whole bunch of stickers to my stash, I will say that my planning style has changed and I know more of what I want, and there is nothing like a black and white sticker book. So I think she has either 3 or 4 options. I'll have the information below for you to check out. The sticker books are priced at $30, but you can feel free to use my code Chaotic Critic to save yourself some coins, which will bring the price from $30 to $27. I know y'all may be thinking that's a little bit steep, but let's put this into perspective. You get 30 sheets, and if you were to go to Dollar Tree and buy some stickers, you're gonna pay $1 a sheet. The quality is amazing. She never disappoints, and the shipping is so fast. I ordered this on, I'm gonna be so accurate, I ordered this on the 20th of January, and I received it on the 26th. So, I mean, notification the next day that it was headed to me. So I absolutely love all things Goldmine and Coco, and I will be sharing her planner review of the daily planner so you guys can see more of that. So we're gonna see a lot of Goldmine and Coco in my planning system in 2021. But let's go ahead and get into this sticker book. So very much set up like the Happy Planner ones, where you have this elastic band at the bottom to keep it together. I will be cutting mine off like I did with my Happy Planner one. All my Happy Planner sticker books are gone. Oh my god, I just cut this off. Like, I just cut this off like a dummy. I said like the Happy Planner one. This is not like the Happy Planner one. The Happy Planner one has a loop at the top. This doesn't. So oh, good job, Lakia. I didn't look, y'all. I didn't look. It's alright. It's still intact because I didn't do anything to it. But while I do have a reusable sticker book, this one is where a majority of my stickers are. This is from Capital Sheet Designs. I will not be putting these inside here. These are going to stay in here, and that's that. I'm so upset with myself that I cut that off. But to be honest, I don't use the elastic band anyway. So let's go ahead and get into this sticker book. I'm not going to edit that out because that's just who I am. I don't be paying attention all the time. Aww. But the amount of stickers in the layout and the way that this is formatted is very much reminiscent of Happy Planner. So that's that. So this first page, we have some full boxes as well as some quarter boxes and these little squares down here. Then the next page, and these are all paper stickers, we have some more decorative boxes, and then we have these which are curved on the side. Then we have some half boxes and quarter boxes. And even though these have icons, you can always put a sticker on the side and cover it up. We have some date headers. Some more boxes here, some icons. I can't wait to make a spread with these. We have some checklists here. Again, if you're not a checklist kind of person, especially because I'm going to be using this in my memory planner, this will be good to do highlights of the day. Or again, you can cut it in half, put an icon on the side and just make a little note, or pop a little inspirational quote sticker on top of here. We have some numbers. I love these boxes because although it does say today at the top, you can always change it and make your own header. You can even put goals and pop that over at the top if you're not going to do today. Then we have these boxes here. The side is perfect for an icon. Then we have bill due, to do, appointment, priority, meeting, due date, chores, important. And you can, of course, again, cover these and make them your own, or you can use whiteout if you don't have a sticker to go on top. So you have 2 pages of that. This one has to buy, focus, upcoming, remember, grateful for, good vibes, today's top 3, and right now. Some hydrate stickers. If you're not using these for hydration, for all my ladies out there, if you happen to track your cycle in your planner, you can use this for that. Or if you're tracking the days that you're anxious or sad or when you're working out, these are great trackers for that as well. Can always modify it. And then we have some more quarter boxes. I love these. The floral is not too florally, and the black and white aesthetic is just perfect. These I love to use not just as checklists, but you can turn them sideways and have them be little dividers, headers in your planner. And then we have the clear florals here, which I love. And this one is like a corner one. I saw her using this in her plan with me. If you guys want to see how she uses these stickers, she did save one of the lives, so head over to Goldmine and Coco on IG to see that. But I love how these are corner ones, so you don't have to cut it. It's already done for you. Then we have more of the paper stickers. These are clear, if I didn't mention that. These are clear stickers. Then we have today, to do, and chores. Again, you can white this out or pop another sticker and just write whatever you want in the box. Some quarter boxes here and some more of these checklists, which you can turn into whatever you want. Affirmations, me time, self-care, priorities, and then some more empty quarter boxes with trackers for you to put whatever you want. Then we have some clear stickers, to do, weekly, work, bills, cleaning, personal, daily, buy gas, check credit report, important, grocery. Then we have some full boxes. So you have each day of the week. This would be cool to put in my memory planner. I might have to do this in my memory planner, like a full out spread using this. And I could put like my highlight of the day or an affirmation. Then weekend plans, planning on it. So this is super dope. I like this. And then some quarter boxes that say priorities. This has goals, ideas, appointment plans. I love this. Pay bill. Or if you purchase, another great way to use bill tracker stickers, if you don't do that, when you make a purchase, you can put the amount and then the store at the top. And then you can just always cover this up with another little icon. So that's a good way for me to use these, because I don't use these kinds of stickers for tracking my bills. I just write them down and cross them off as I pay them. And then we have some more boxes here and some hexagons. So, and then we have these up here, beyond, slices, happy thoughts, you got this, keep going, it will be okay. Then 3 full habit trackers. Then these date ones over here. This will be cool to not only use as date covers, but to also, when you're like documenting something like a specific memory or adding photos into your planner and it's like staggered throughout, not on a particular day, this is good for that. Some more hexagons. These I can't really see, but this does say remember and little things, and this says important. So just circles. We have some more of these. These are like double half boxes. I mean double full boxes. And you can put a regular full box on this. If you fold this part down, stick half of it into your box and then fold it down and put the other half box, then you'll have like a little flip. And then this one here. And if you want, you could also take this and then layer this off to the side on it to have like a little background design. We have some more clear stickers, Netflix and chill, download new episode, reschedule, clean microwave, load dishwasher, plan, canceled, craft. Then we have the larger circle stickers, some meal prepping ones. Then we have some more boxes here, and then some of these. So there's love this, priority, dreams, goals, thoughts, ideas, focus on, reasons to be proud of. Here's some full boxes and some trackers. I just have so many ideas of what I'm going to do with all these stickers. And then the hexagons. Ooh, I like these circles. Errands, important, declutter, remember, plan, due date. Some more full boxes with some circles at the bottom. Some more clear stickers. So you have the days of the week mixed in here. I love this one, per my last email. Take a break, sis. Girls night, birthday, budget, bills, skincare routine, organize, makeup run, some half boxes, and some circles. And that is it for this sticker book. So absolutely love it. One of my pages already came out, but that's all right. Absolutely love this. I cannot wait to make a few spreads with this. It's gonna be so nice in my memory planner. Like, I already know I'm gonna get my use out of this one for sure. So loving this one from Goldmine and Coco. I will have all of the Goldmine and Coco information in the description box for you guys to check out. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Also in the description box, I'll have the link to my shop, 15roses.com, where I have apparel, cups, and vinyl decals. And you guys can also follow me on Instagram, both my shop page at shop15roses and my regular Instagram at Chaotic Critic. If you guys are not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.